ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn ló fi ra mi padà. Ìyẹn ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn ló fi ra mi padà. Mo dòmìnira nínú Jésù. Ẹ̀jẹ̀
ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn ló fi ra mi padà. Ìyẹn ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn ló fi ra mi padà. Mo dòmìnira nínú Jésù.
Ọpẹ́ ni fún Ọlọ́run tí ó fún mi ní oore ọ̀fẹ́.
Glory be to God who has given us the grace
láti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ní àṣálẹ̀.
to have a word with us tonight.
Mo fi ògo fún Ọlọ́run púpọ̀.
All glory to God
Lórí gbogbo ohun tí ẹ ń sọ fún mi nípa ètò yìí.
over what you are related to me concerning this program.
Mo ní ìròyìn ayọ̀ fún yín.
I have a good news for us.
Mo sọ níjẹjọ pé Olúwa pàṣẹ àdúrà ńlá kan.
I told us last week that the Lord had commanded a program
Àti àpé àkọlé rẹ̀ ní Olúwa sọ̀nà mi ní rere.
that the Lord should make my way good.
Àdúrà náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Monday tí ó kọjá.
The prayer started on Monday last week
Yóò tún tẹ̀síwájú ní ọjọ́ Monday ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀.
and is going to continue this coming Monday.
Kí ni àdúrà yìí wúlò fún gan?
And what is this prayer meant for?
Olúwa ló pè mí
The Lord called the man of God
tí ó dẹ̀ sọ fún mi lóru
and told him at night
pé àwọn ènìyàn bá òun rìn
that the people had walked with him
towards the end of last year.
ní kété òpin ọdún tó kọjá.
Ó ní Olúwa ló ń fẹ́ san wọ́n lẹ́san ìrìn tí wọ́n rìn pẹ̀lú òun.
And the Lord said they want to pay them back the journey they walked with him.
Olúwa ní kí n gbé àdúrà kan kalẹ̀
And the Lord instructed the man of God to lead a program
tí a pè ní Olúwa sọ̀nà mi ní rere.
that the Lord should make my way good.
Kí àdúrà yìí máa wáyé ní gbogbo àárọ̀ Monday.
This program should come up every Monday
Aago 9 sí 11.
by 9 to 11.
Olúwa ní nínú àdúrà
The
yẹn,
Lord said in that prayer
òun fẹ́ máa yí ìgbà padà fún àwọn èèyàn.
that He wants to transform people's time.
Òun fẹ́ máa ṣe ọ̀nà wọn ní rere
And He wants to make their way good
ní gbogbo ọ̀sẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
in each week.
Aláàánú ó sì máa wá wọn kàn.
And your benefactor will locate you.
Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí ó bá wá pẹ̀lú ìgbàgbọ́ ni o.
But it's for those that come with faith,
Àwọn tí ó wá pẹ̀lú ọkàn kan ṣoṣo.
those that come with one mind.
Ẹni tí ó bá sì wá sípàdé yẹn
And any who will be in the program
kò gbọ́dọ̀ tọwọ́ bẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kó tó máa bọ̀.
must not involve in sin before coming.
Ní Monday ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀
It
yìí,
is coming Monday
aago 9 àárọ̀,
by 9 a.m.
ó ní tí ì jẹ nǹkan kan o.
You won't eat anything before coming.
Wá pàdé Olúwa Ọlọ́run akiriṣoore
Come and meet the Lord God
ní àárọ̀ Monday,
by Monday morning,
aago 9 sí 11.
by 9 to 11.
Tí ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ó ń bọ̀ yìí yóò lágbára gan.
That of the coming week will be powerful
Torí pé
because
Ọlọ́run ló ń fẹ́ tọwọ́ bọ iṣẹ́ àwọn
the
èèyàn.
Lord said He wants to get involved with people's work.
Ẹni tí ò rá àánú gbà yóò sì máa rí àánú gbà.
He that was unable to get mercy will obtain
Má
mercy.
jẹ́ kí ohunkóhun kó di ọ lọ́wọ́.
Let nothing disturb you.
Mo sọ ní orúkọ Bàbá Ọmọ àti Ẹ̀mí
And I
Mímọ́.
pray in the name of the Trinity,
Ọ̀nà yóò là fún ọ.
the Lord will pave way for you.
Ó dẹ̀ ní ṣẹ́rú ẹgbẹ́ rẹ mọ́.
And you will not be enslaved any longer.
Bákan náà ní Friday ọ̀túnla,
Likewise, on Friday,
ìṣòro wa yóò tẹ̀síwájú.
the vigil will continue.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́,
Please,
àdúrà tí a ó gbà ní ìṣòro ọ̀túnla.
the prayer for the Friday
Òun náà ní ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá kan.
is about a great word.
Agbára tí ń sọ ológo agboolé wa di ọ̀lẹ.
The power that turned the glorious one of the home to a lazy man.
Agbára tí ń pa ògo mọ́ àwọn ọmọ ilé wa lára.
The power that kills the glorious one.
Olúwa má jẹ́ ó lágbára lórí ògo mi.
God, don't allow it to have power and head
Olúwa
over my
ní tí a ó
glory.
fi ṣiṣẹ́ ní alẹ́ Friday nìyẹn.
That is what we are going to work on Friday.
Ṣùgbọ́n ní Monday morning,
But on Monday morning,
Olúwa ṣọ̀nà mi ní rere.
Lord, make my way straight.
Gbogbo ohun tí o bá dáwọ́lé ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yẹn,
Everything you lay your hands upon that week
rere ló máa já sí.
will be good.
Àlàáfíà Ọlọ́run yóò pẹ̀lú rẹ.
And the peace of the Lord will be with you.
Má gbàgbé,
Don't forget get.
Àdúrà yóò máa wáyé nílé ìjọsìn wa.
The prayer will be coming up in our church.
United Voice of Hope.
United Voice of Hope.
Evangelical Mission.
Evangelical Mission.
Tí ó wà ní Owódé New Garage.
At the place mentioned.
Ìfẹ̀gbẹ́kẹ̀gbẹ́ pẹ̀lú ilé epo Endowed Filling Station.
Beside the Endowed Filling Station.
Along Abeokuta Road.
Along Abeokuta Road.
Tí o bá mọ̀nà pè sórí nọ́mbà yìí.
If you don't know the road, you can just call this line.
080
080
36 36
3636
57
57
18
18
080
080
36 36
3636
57
57
18.
18.
A ó darí ẹ bó ṣe débẹ̀.
You'll be led how you're going to get there.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ní alẹ́ yìí.
But tonight,
Mo fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó
I want
lágbára.
to share something great with us.
Olúwa rán mi sí ẹ̀yin ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
The Lord has sent the man of God to ministers of God.
Ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run pè.
You that the Lord has called.
Ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run yàn.
You that the Lord has chosen.
Ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run ṣe lógo.
You that the Lord has glorified.
Ǹjẹ́ tí ẹ mọ̀ pé.
Do you know?
Ẹ̀yin ni ògo orílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
You are the glory of the nation.
Ǹjẹ́ tí ẹ rántí pé.
Are you remembering?
Ọwọ́ yín ni àṣeyọrí orílẹ̀-èdè yìí wà.
That the success of this nation is in your hand.
Tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
And if that's the case.
Ipò wo lẹ̀yin gangan tóra yín sí?
What is where do you place yourself?
Olúwa ní kí n bi yín léèrè.
God told me to ask you.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kinní kan fún yín.
Let me say something.
Olórí orílẹ̀-èdè.
The head of a country.
Gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ kan.
The governor of a state.
Ọba nínú ìlú.
The king of a town.
Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
Ministers of God.
Ẹ wo àwọn tí mo kà á lẹ̀ yẹ.
These ones I've called.
Àtàlẹ́mọ̀ tí Ọlọ́run gbéga jù.
Who do you know the Lord had elevated much?
Ẹ̀yin ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ni Ọlọ́run gbéga jù.
It is the men of God are the ones the Lord had glorified.
Ẹ̀yin ló yẹ kí àwọn aláṣẹ orílẹ̀-èdè máa bẹ̀rù.
You are the ones that the authority of the nation should be fearful.
Ẹ̀yin ló yẹ kí aláṣẹ orílẹ̀-èdè lọ máa sábà.
You are the ones that authorities of nations should be coming to.
Olúwa ní kí n bi yín léèrè.
The Lord instead I should ask you.
Kí wá ló dé tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin gan lẹ wá ń sá kíjo tẹ̀lé wọn lẹ́yìn.
Is it that you are the one running after them?
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wòlíì.
Many prophets.
Ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ di political pastor.
Has turned itself to political ministers.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ evangelists.
Many evangelists.
Ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ di messenger nílé olówó.
Have turned themselves to messengers in the house of the rich.
Ẹ ti wá gbàgbé pé.
Have you forgotten?
Bàbá yín ló ń control táwọn wọ̀nyí jókòó tì.
It is your Father in heaven that controls what these ones are sitting on.
Ogun kan ló dẹ̀ ń jà yín o.
And it's a problem that you're battling with.
Ogun àìlègbàdúrà ni.
And it's the problem of not praying.
Ogun kan ló dẹ̀ tún ń jà yín o.
And it's a problem that you're encountering.
Ogun ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dídá.
Sin.
Olúwa ní kí n sọ fún yín.
And the Lord asked me to tell you.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ ronú níbi tí a wà.
Let all of us think where we are.
Kí ló ń bá àárín èmi àti Ọlọ́run jẹ́ gan?
What is distorting my relationship with God?
Ńgbà Ọlọ́run pè mí.
When the Lord called me.
Kí ló bá mi sọ?
What did he taught me?
Nígbà tí Ọlọ́run pè mí.
When the Lord called me.
Ìlérí wo ló ṣe fún mi?
What promise has he made?
Ohun tí mo mọ̀ ni pé.
What I know is this.
Ọlọ́run èdèdè pé yan.
God doesn't just call.
Yóò pé pẹ̀lú ìlérí.
He must call with a promise.
Nígbà tí ó pe Abraham.
When he called Abraham.
Ó ṣèlérí fún.
He made a promise.
Ẹ jẹ́ á lọ tààrà sínú Bíbélì.
Let's go to the Bible.
Ìwé Genesis.
Book of Genesis.
Orí ìkejìlá.
Chapter 12.
Ẹ jẹ́ á kà á láti ẹsẹ̀ ìkíní gangan.
We read from verse 1.
Kẹ́ wo ohun tó gbé Abraham kúrò nílé o.
And let's see what took Abraham
Kẹ́
out
wo
of the
ohun tí
house.
Abraham gbọ́ tó fi kúrò nílé o.
Olúwa sì ti wí fún Abraham pé.
Olúwa wí fún Abraham pé.
Jáde kúrò ní ilẹ̀ rẹ.
Jáde kúrò nílẹ̀ rẹ.
Àti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ará rẹ.
Yes.
Àti kúrò ní ilé bàbá rẹ. Sí ilẹ̀ kan.
Sí ilẹ̀ kan.
Tí èmi ó fi hàn ọ́.
Tèmi ó fi hàn.
Èmi ó sì sọ ọ́ di orílẹ̀-èdè ńlá.
Èmi ó sọ ọ́ di orílẹ̀-èdè ńlá.
Èmi ó sì bùsí fún ọ.
Èmi ó wá bùsí fún.
Èmi ó sì sọ orúkọ rẹ di ńlá.
Èmi ó wá sọ orúkọ rẹ di ńlá.
Ìbùkún ni ìwọ ó sì já sí.
Yes.
Èmi ò bùkún fún ọ. Àwọn tí ó súre fún ọ.
Àwọn tó bá súre fún ọ.
Ẹni tí ó ń fi ọ ré.
Ẹni tí ó ń fi ọ ré.
Èmi ò fi ré.
Ilé mi Ọlọ́run máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún Ábúráhámù. Yes.
Nínú rẹ̀.
Nínú rẹ̀.
Ẹ ó ti bùkún fún gbogbo ìdílé ayé.
Gbogbo ayé yìí pátápátá will be blessed through you.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni Ábúráhámù lọ.
Yes.
Bí Olúwa ti sọ fún.
Olúwa ti sọ fún.
Lọ́ọ̀tì sì bá a lọ. Ábúráhámù sì jẹ́ ẹni 125 ọdún. Nígbà tí ó jáde ní Háránì.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
Hear me very well.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Hear me once again.
Ọlọ́run ò pè Ábúráhámù pẹ̀lú ẹnu lásán.
God didn't just call Abraham with just a calling.
Gbogbo ìlérí tó ṣe ló dẹ̀ ṣẹ.
All the promises were made, were fulfilled.
Gbogbo wa lónìí ń pera wa ní ọmọ Abraham.
Now today all of us are calling ourselves the descendant of Abraham.
Àti Kìrìsìtẹ́nì àti
Both
Mùsùlùmí.
Christians and Muslims.
Ńlá gbà pé lọ́dọ̀ Ànábì Ibrahim láti jáde.
We believe that we came from Prophet Ibrahim.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
Now let me tell you.
Ńgbà Ọlọ́run ṣèlérí fún.
When God made this promise,
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ pé ó dá ni?
did you hear that God betrayed him?
But kíní kan ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
But something is happening
Láàrin àwa ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
between we ministers of God.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òfin òtítọ́ sí Ọlọ́run mọ́.
Many didn't serve God with truth.
Àwa ń lé owó.
They are running after money.
Owó yẹn dẹ̀ ń wó wa mọ́lẹ̀.
And that money is breaking us down.
Ẹni tó dẹ̀ lówó lápá tí tá a ṣe fẹ́ rẹ̀
He that
yìí.
owns the money, we have neglected him. We
Kí ló dé tí pé wá wá di jágbajàgba?
And why is our call turned to something else?
Ẹ jẹ́ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan bírẹ̀ léèrè.
That each and every one check himself.
Iṣẹ́ tí a rán mi.
The work I'm being sent.
Ǹjẹ́ mo tiẹ̀ ń jẹ báyìí?
Am I delivering them?
Ìjọ tí a kó lé mi lọ́wọ́.
The church handed over to me.
Ǹjẹ́ mo mọ̀ pé màá ṣàkáǹtì fọlọ́nsá?
I know I'm going to account for God.
Ojú mi ń rírì kúrì gan.
The eyes of the man of God seen a lot.
Etí mi ń gbọ́ ìgbọ́kúgbọ́.
His ears have heard a lot.
Mo ń ṣalábàápàdé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tí ò ṣe é máa gbọ́.
He's encountering a lot of things that I couldn't say.
Nínú ayé àwọn tí a pè ní Kìrìsìtẹ́nì.
In the life of those we call Christians.
Nínú ayé àwọn tí a pè ní Mùsùlùmí.
In the life of those we call Muslims.
Ẹ̀yin méjèèjì lẹ gbéwé òfin Ọlọ́run dání.
They are the two religions that hold on to the laws of
Ẹ
God.
jẹ́ kí n sọ fún yín o.
Let me tell you this.
Olúwa lòun á fẹ̀sùn kàn yín lọ́jọ́ ìkẹyìn.
The Lord said he's going to accuse you.
Ohun tí ẹ sọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà dà.
What you've done Nigeria as a country to.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n share experience burúkú kan tí mo ní.
Let me share an experience with us.
Lọ́sẹ̀ yìí gangan ni o.
This week itself,
Mo wà nílé ìtura kan
it was at the man of God was in an hotel
ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn.
where he was lodged at Ogun State.
Ibẹ̀ gan ni mo ti ń rìkọ́dù mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí.
It is from there I'm relating to us at home.
Mo dẹ̀ sùn nínú hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yẹn.
And the man of God slept in the hotel.
Ariwo dẹ̀ déédéé ta.
And there was noise.
Àmọ́ á ní kíyàwó mi lọ wo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
I told my wife to go check what is happening.
Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí ó wọlé wá bá mi.
But when she's going to come back to relate,
Ohun tó sọ fún mi báyàn lọ́kàn jẹ́.
what she said is so heartbreaking.
Kí ni nǹkan náà?
And what is it?
Obìnrin kan ni a gbé wá sílé ìtura.
The lady was brought to the hotel.
Wọ́n wá bá láṣepọ̀ ńbẹ̀.
They had fun.
Ó wà ń fẹnu rẹ̀ sọ pé.
And she was saying
Àdéhùn àwọn ni pé.
their own promises was
Pàtrípù ló ń gbowó.
collecting money per trip.
Trípù kan jẹ́ 700 naira.
And each trip is 700 naira.
Tó o bá lè lọ 5 trip.
If you can go 5 trips,
Ó jẹ́ pé 700 times 5.
that's 700 times 5.
Àwọn dẹ̀jọ́ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀.
And they agreed.
Ó wá mú un dé tán.
And after going to the trip,
Ó lọ trípù kínní.
he went on the first trip.
Òun ní kó mówó wá.
He said, bring the money.
Ìyàwó olélẹ̀ tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o.
This person is the wife of somebody.
Ó dágbére fọ́kọ ẹ̀ pọ́ ń lọ bí iṣẹ́ ni o.
She must have told her husband that she's going to work.
Ó dẹ̀ gbàbẹ̀ dé òtẹ́ẹ̀rù.
And she got to the hotel room.
Ọkùnrin yẹn wá sọ fún pé.
And the man said,
Jáwọn parí kó ń sanwó pọ̀.
let us finish so that we can pay together.
Ká ẹ máa wo ibi tí ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́sìn méjèèjì bàlújẹ́ dé.
And can see where this true religion has destroyed the country.
N ó sọ bó ṣe kàn yín fún yín
I
o.
will tell you how it has affected us.
Ó ní á lọ trípù mẹ́ta.
He went on 3 trips.
Àwọn jẹ pẹpẹ súpù pléètì méjì.
He had of 1,005 pepper soup per plate.
Ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan jẹ́ 1,500.
Each is 1,500.
Àwọn mu gúdà méjì lé lórí.
They drank alcohol.
Gbogbo owó tí wọ́n jẹ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì sájẹ 9,600.
The money they are owing the hotel is 9,600.
Ọkùnrin yìí wá sọ fún obìnrin yìí.
And the man told the lady,
Kó lọ gba pléètì méjì sí wa.
go collect 2 extra plate
káwọn ó fi yẹn tọ́pù ẹ̀ káwọn tó máa lọ.
and to top it before leaving.
bóbìnrin yẹn ṣe jáde lọ sí kitchen.
As she left the kitchen,
ọkùnrin fo window jáde.
the man jumped out of the window.
kíá ó ti fo fence.
Immediately I jumped through the fence
ó dẹ̀ sá lọ.
and he ran.
àwọn hòtẹ́ẹ̀ wá yarí.
And the hotel management
pé àwọn ó gbowó tàwọn.
that the money must be paid.
ọkùnrin tó gbé ọwọ́ dà.
Where is the man that brought you?
wọ́n láti mú obìnrin yẹn sílẹ̀.
The woman was held ransom,
wọ́n gba fóònù ẹ̀.
collected her phone,
mo wá ní kí n válù fóònù yẹn
and
gan.
I said valued the phone.
kò ju fóònù 3,500.
No more than is worth 3,500.
ẹ̀gbọ́n mi kìrìsìtẹ́nì.
Hear me,
mo
beloved.
wá ní kí wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ obìnrin
And I
yẹn.
told them to ask the lady.
Are you a Christian or Muslim?
Onígbàgbọ́ ni ọ́n tàbí Mùsùlùmí.
ó ní Christian lòun.
Said she was a Christian.
ẹni ó gbé ọwọ́ is he a Muslim?
The person
Or
brought
Christian.
is he a Christian or Muslim?
ó ní Muslim ni.
He said he's a Muslim.
so ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́sìn méjèèjì.
Now you this true religion.
àgbèrè wá jàrá bá yín.
Fornication has been your breakfast.
ẹgbọ́n mi sà ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin olórí ẹ̀sìn mo lè dá lẹ́bi.
Do you know that I can accuse all the head of religion?
kí lẹ̀ ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ ìjọ yín.
What are you teaching your members?
ǹjẹ́ tí ẹ ń sọ fún wọn pé ewu ń bẹ nínú ìgbé ayé tí wọ́n ń gbé?
Do you tell them that there is a great consequence for the kind of life they are living?
ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run fẹ́ràn.
You ones that the Lord loves.
ẹ̀yin tó ní ẹ máa jíṣẹ́ òun.
You that the Lord told you to be doing his
àwọn
own
tá a
job.
kó sábẹ́ àkóso yín wọ̀nyí.
These ones that were placed under your watch.
ìtú tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń parẹ́ o.
These are the event that is happening to them.
ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ pé kéèsì ń bẹ fún yín lọ́run sá.
Do you know that there's a great case in heaven?
ẹ jẹ́ àwọn tí Bíbélì sọ nípa yín.
Let's hear what the Bible says about it.
ẹ jẹ́ lọ tààrà sínú ìwé Sámúẹ́lì
Let's go to
kínní.
the book of 1 Samuel,
orí ìkẹrìndínlógún.
chapter 16.
ẹ jẹ́ wo ipò yín ń bẹ̀.
Let us see your role there.
ẹ jẹ́ mú láti ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹsàn-án.
Let's read from verse 9.
ẹgbọ́n tó sọ.
Jésè sì mú kí Sámà kí ó kọjá.
Ahán.
Ó sì wí pé Olúwa kò sì yan èyí.
Yes.
Jésè sì tún mú kí àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ méjèèje kó kọjá níwájú Sámúẹ́lì. Sámúẹ́lì sì wí fún Jésè pé
Yes.
Olúwa kò yan àwọn wọ̀nyí.
àwọn tó mú wáyé Olúwa yàn wọ́n.
Sámúẹ́lì sì bi Jésè léèrè pé
Yes.
gbogbo àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ ni ó wà
ṣé
ní
ọmọ
ìlú.
rẹ dẹ̀ ti tán ni?
Òun sì dáhùn wípé
Yes.
àbíkẹ́yìn wọn ni ó kù.
ló kù.
Sáà wo
Aha.
ó ṣọ́ àgùntàn.
Yes.
Sámúẹ́lì sì wí fún Jésè pé
Aha.
ránṣẹ́ kí o sì mú wá.
ẹ lọ rèé mú wá.
Nítorí pé àwa kì yóò jókòó
Yes.
títí òun ò fi dé yìí.
Aha.
Ó sì ránṣẹ́.
Ó ránṣẹ́.
Ó sì mú wá.
Ó mú wá.
Òun sì jẹ́ ẹni pupa.
Ó jẹ́ ẹni
tí ó
pupa.
lẹ́wà lójú.
Yes.
Ó sì dá láti máa wò.
Aha.
Olúwa sì wí fún un pé
Aha.
dìde.
Dìde.
Kí o sì fi òróró sà á
fi
ní àmì.
òróró sàálé
Nítorí
àmì.
pé òun náà ni èyí.
ó ní èyí.
Nígbà náà ni Sámúẹ́lì sì mú ìwo òróró.
Yes.
Ó sì fi yà á sí ọ̀tọ̀
Aha.
láàrin àwọn arákùnrin rẹ̀.
Yes.
Ẹ̀mí Olúwa sì bà lé Dáfídì.
Aha.
Láti ọjọ́ náà lọ.
Aha.
Sámúẹ́lì sì dìde.
Aha.
Ó sì lọ sí Rámà.
ó ti tó. ẹ jẹ́ n sọ fún yín sà.
And let me tell you this.
tí Ọlọ́run bá fẹ́ yan ọba ní Ísírẹ́lì.
If the Lord wants to appoint a king in Israel,
wòlíì ni ó yan ọba.
is the prophet that we appoint.
ẹ̀yin wòlíì ti Nàìjíríà.
Nigerian prophets.
ìjáyé tiẹ̀ bẹ̀rù prọfẹ̀sì yín máa tọ̀.
Is the people of the world afraid of your prophecy?
ńgbà jẹ́ wípé bẹ́yìn náà ṣe gba oil well ẹ̀ ń sáré kiri nílé olówó.
Not how you are going to have an oil well you are running up and down for.
gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gba oil well ẹ̀ ń lé àwọn aláṣẹ
An
kiri.
oil well that is how you are running about.
all you need ni pé mo sáfẹ́ lówó
All
yìí
you
o.
are running is I must to have this money.
ńgbà tí ìyàwó gan ọjọ́ ẹ̀yin gangan lójú.
When someone else's wife doesn't make a meaning to you,
àbọ̀ làwọn obìnrin ìjọ yín ó ṣe lu ara wọn ní mímọ́.
how will your female members use their body in holiness?
bó làwọn ọkùnrin ìjọ yín ṣe fẹ́ lu ara wọn ní mímọ́.
How will your male members use their body in holiness?
iṣẹ́ máa ń bẹ lọ́rọ̀ yín gan.
There's a lot of work to do.
ẹ̀yin ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
Ministers of God,
both Christian and Muslim.
àti Kìrìsìtẹ́nì àti
ẹ̀yin
Mùsùlùmí,
ìmáàmù gbogbo.
imams,
ohun táwọn ọmọ ìjọ yín ń ṣe rèé
what
o.
your members are doing is this.
bí wọn ò bá rí lọ́wọ́ yín ṣe wọ́n lè ṣe.
If they didn't see it in your hand, will they be able to do it?
ǹjẹ́ àti ẹ̀ lè rí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kan
Can we see a man of God
tó lè sọ fún mi openly
that can tell us openly
pé mo trust àwọn ọmọ ìjọ mi.
that I trust my members?
wọn ò jẹ́ fi ṣìnà ṣayé.
They can't, they don't play, they cannot fornicate.
ǹjẹ́ àrí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó lè sọ fún mi
Can I see a man of God that could tell me
pé ọmọ ìjọ àwọn obìnrin ṣèfù lọ́wọ́ òun?
that my female church member is safe in my hand?
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń ka Ọlọ́run lára gan.
These are words that God is affecting God so much.
Ó ní kí n bá yín sọ̀rọ̀
He asked me to tell you
pé
that
ìgbésí ayé yín ń dùn òun
your
lọ́kàn.
lifestyle is seriously affecting him in the heart.
Ẹ jẹ́ àpèrà wa
Let us call ourselves.
on individual basis.
Ní ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan,
Ṣé ìgbésí ayé mi yìí sọ tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe?
is my life, is my kind of living changing this country?
Mo tún rí ìrírí burúkú kan
I have another experience again.
nílé ìtura kan.
And in an hotel,
Obìnrin aboyún kan ní ọ̀dẹ̀ gbé wá bẹ̀.
a pregnant woman was brought to the hotel.
Àlè ló gbé wá o.
Concubine brought, a
Ó
concubine
sì
brought,
ròyún nínú ẹ̀.
and she saw that she was pregnant.
Mo wá ń wọ́ndà
And I was wondering,
pé irọ́ dáradára wo ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí
what is happening? What is the meaning of this?
lórílẹ̀-èdè tó lófin tó mọ Ọlọ́run.
In a nation, in a country that has the law and that knows the Lord?
Kí ni guarantee pọ́kọ gan ló lóyún tó ń bẹ nínú ẹ̀?
What is the guarantee that it is our husband that owns the pregnancy?
Ntẹ́mi gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn àgbàlagbà ni pé
What I've heard from the mouth of the elders,
tí obìnrin bá lóyún sínú,
if a woman is pregnant,
tí ẹni tí í ṣe ọkọ rẹ̀ bá bá láṣepọ̀,
if the one that is not her husband have an intercourse with her,
nínú èèwọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá,
and from the taboo of this
òṣì ni ó
land,
pa ọkùnrin yẹn.
it is poverty and wretchedness that will kill that man.
Àwọn èèyàn tí ẹ̀ wá bẹ̀rù gbogbo nǹkan rán dandan yìí
And
mọ́.
the people are not afraid of this rubbish.
Ẹ̀yin ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ń wòran.
And ministers of God are silent.
Ẹ wo ohun tí owó gúrúmì gbọ́múlé láǹtà wá sọ àwọn obìnrin wa dà.
Look at all this, what this money kinds have turned our women into.
Ẹlòmíì ti gbowó gbọ́múlé láǹtà.
Some people have collected money
Ó ti fowó ṣòkú.
and she has used the money for
Nígbà
burial
tí ò
service.
bá rí san,
When she was unable to pay,
ara rẹ̀ ló kù tí ó fi máa wówó.
she'll be using her body to find the money
Ẹ wá mọ ohun tó burú jù o.
until the worst part of it.
Àtòjọ kọrin ẹ wólẹ̀ fọ́ba ológo ń jọ
And we
Sunday ní
sing,
o.
let's bow to the Lord on Sunday together.
Àwọn obìnrin náà dẹ̀ máa bọ́kọ wọn sọ̀rọ̀.
And these ladies will be talking to their
Wọ́n á ní
husband,
àdàbí tọkùnrin mi bá gorí mi lẹ́yìn ẹ̀.
unless if another man sleeps with me behind your back.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti gbàgbé pé
And they've forgotten,
bí èpè ọba ṣẹ láàárọ̀ yóò ṣẹ lálẹ́.
if the cost didn't come to pass in the money to have a
Ogun wà ń gorí ogun fọ́mọ Nàìjíríà.
the problem is coming over problem for Nigeria.
From one problem to another.
From one problem to another.
Oṣó náà lẹ́dẹ̀ kó ń ṣe o.
And you think it is witches.
Àjẹ́lẹ̀ kó ń ṣe o.
And you say it is wizard.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ tọrọ fún
Now
ẹ.
let me tell you this truth.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ogun ìkọ́ ló tọwọ́ àjẹ́ wà.
It is not all of them that comes from the witch.
Ètí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kó bá ọlọ́pọ̀.
It is what sin has destroyed that is much.
Ẹ̀kẹ́nìkọ̀ọ̀kan lọ yí ọ̀nà rẹ̀ wò.
Let everybody go and check their way.
Ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀,
Ministers of God,
ẹjọ́ ẹjẹ́ àsìmí sàkàdẹ́lì preaching.
let us stop this irrelevant preaching.
Kí láǹfààní sàkàdẹ́lì preaching tí ò bá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wí?
What is the effect of that fashionized preaching that doesn't have any impact on sin?
Ẹlòmíràn wàá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ di football commentator lórí
Many people turn
pẹpẹ.
themselves to football commentator on the altar.
And ladies and gentlemen, every time is a blessing time. Hallelujah, somebody. I want somebody to dip hand into his pocket and bring everything out. Dìndìnrín ni ọ̀nù.
That is a fool.
Àwọn tó ní kókó gbogbo nǹkan tí ń bẹ lápò wọn wá.
People you are telling that they should release everything in their hands.
Tí wọ́n bá dà kò dí ìpọ́njú wọn lọ́wọ́.
Even if they pay it doesn't stop their poverty.
Torí pé inú ayé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti dáwó fún Ọlọ́run.
Because they are paying to God in the sinful life.
Nínú ìwà tí ò wu Ọlọ́run ni wọ́n ń gbé lójoojúmọ́.
Because they are living and acting in the wrongful act.
Ó ṣe wọ́nà bí ayé wọn yóò ṣe wu Ọlọ́run.
Why don't you find a way how their life will be pleasing to God?
Ẹ̀ńtọ́lọ́rẹ̀ jalè.
He that went to steal
Tọ́wọ́ àsàndá mẹ́wàá.
and came to pay tithe,
Tọ́wọ́ tí inú rẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń dùn.
and you are happy,
Bro.
my brother.
Ọlọ́run láyọ̀ nínú ayé yín.
The Lord is so joyful about
Ṣé
you.
Ọlọ́run náà láyọ̀ nínú rábìrì tó lọ ṣe ní?
And is God even happy about the robbery he went to do likewise?
Jẹ́ kí n fún ọ ní ìrírí kékeré
Let
kan.
me give an instance.
Ẹnìkan wá bá mi ń jọ́ kan.
Some people came to meet the man of
Ó
God.
ń dádì mo fẹ́ ran iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ yín lọ́wọ́.
Said, sir, I want to help your ministry.
Mo lè fún yín up to
I
700,000.
can give up to 700,000.
Mo wá béèrè pé ṣé kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe?
I said, what kind of job are you doing?
Ó ní business ni sà.
So I'm a businessman.
Irú bísínẹ́sì wo
What
ni?
kind of business are you doing?
A máa ń lọ káàkiri náà ni.
Go up and down.
Mo ní ọ̀nkú jẹ́ ń gbàdúrà fún ọ.
I said, brother, let me pray for you.
Mo ṣe porúkọ Jésù
As
lẹ́ẹ̀kínní.
I prayed, I called the name of the Lord.
Olúwa ní mo gbà á
I
o.
said, don't pray for him.
Ọ gbọ́dọ̀ gba anything lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Don't collect anything from him.
Owó olè ní o.
He's a thief.
Mo wá sọ fún bọ̀dá.
And I told the man,
Olúwa ní amúrọ̀bà ní.
the Lord said you are an arm robber.
Ẹ ń dádì business ni.
I said, that is a business.
So ọjọ́ sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀.
Let us say the truth.
Tó o bá sòótọ́ wọn ó mú ọ next week.
If you don't say the truth, you'll be arrested next week.
Ó ní lóòótọ́ ni amúrọ̀bà
He
ni.
said, he's an arm robber.
Ọ wà gbówó ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ fọ́lọ́ ní
Now
bíbá.
you bring the blood money here.
Kò lè work.
It can't work here.
Uncle get away with your money.
Go away with your money.
Ìwọ nìkan máa dá ẹkún rẹ̀ sun lọ́rùn àpáàdì.
You alone go and be crying be shedding your tears in hell.
Ó bu ẹkún lọ́jọ́ náà.
He cried that day.
Inú rẹ̀
He
bàjẹ́.
was so embittered.
Ó ní gbogbo ibi tó ń ti ń ṣe fọ́lọ́run.
He said everywhere has been going.
Wọ́n yẹ sáré eléyìí
They
fún.
don't tell him such.
Ṣùgbọ́n to God be the glory.
But fún ògo Ọlọ́run,
Operation kan bẹ tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe tí ò sọ fún mi.
there was an operation they wanted to go to that.
Mo wá sọ fún.
And I told him,
Mo ní next operation tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe
I
yẹn.
said the next operation you want to do.
Tó o bá lọ òní bọ̀ o.
If you go, you won't come back.
Sọ fáwọn colleagues ẹ kan stop ẹ̀.
Tell your colleagues to stop robbery.
Òun ò wá bá wọn lọ.
But he didn't follow them.
Ṣùgbọ́n to God be the glory.
Fún ògo Ọlọ́run,
Gbogbo àwọn tó lọ lọ́lọ́pàá kó lọ́jọ́ náà.
all of them that went, the police arraigned them.
Lọ́ba wà ń gbára ayílẹ̀ níwájú mi.
And he was rolling before the man of God.
Ó ní mo ṣe o.
Said, thank you, sir.
Ó ní dádì.
Said, man of God,
Ṣé mo wá lè fowó yẹn ṣe fọ́lọ́run sìn?
can I use that money for God now?
Mo ní àfẹ́rú owó yẹn ń bíbá.
I said that money cannot be used.
Owó ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni.
It's the blood money.
Ọba aláyé kan ni mo lọ bánjọ́ kan.
The man of God went to meet a king,
Mo dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún tán.
and after praying for him,
Òun náà ló ránṣẹ́ sí mi.
he sent for the man of God
Lọ́ba dẹ̀ di 50,000 sínú pásù.
and gave and package 50,000 in an envelope.
Wòlíì ẹ̀bùn yín rèé.
Man of God, this is your gift.
Olúwa ní tó bá gbà máa bínú
The
sí ẹ.
Lord said, if you collect it, I will be angry at you.
Olúwa ní sọ fún.
Said to tell him
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
he had the blood stain.
O ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbowó ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Don't collect blood money.
Mo ní kábíyèsí.
Said your highness.
Olúwa ní mo gbowó yín.
The Lord said I shouldn't collect money from
Olúwa
you.
ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ wà
The
lọ́wọ́
Lord
yín.
said there is blood in your hand.
Ọba yẹn jọ́sẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀.
The king eats the ground.
Okay.
Screamed.
Àwọn òjòyè ní kábíyèsí sí òsí o.
And the chief asked, your highness, what's the problem?
Mo lọ́lúwa ní mo gbowó lọ́wọ́
I
kábíyèsí.
said the Lord asked me not to collect money from him
So torí pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ wọn.
because he had a blood stain.
Ọjọ́ yẹ
That day,
ọba yẹn ò sùn.
the king couldn't sleep.
Ẹkún ló sun súlẹ̀.
He was crying all through.
My dear daddy and mommy.
My parents,
Ẹ̀tẹ́ jẹ́ránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
that you are ministers of God,
Níbo ni wọ̀bì àbáyín dé?
where has covetousness led you to?
Ẹ lọ rèé ronú sí.
Go and think about it.
Mo fẹ́ parí ọ̀rọ̀ mi
I want to
lálẹ́.
end my word tonight.
Sínú ìwé Pétérù.
Book of First Peter,
Kìíní.
First Peter,
Orí ìkejì.
chapter 2.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká láti ẹsẹ̀ ìkọkànlá.
Let us read from verse. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin ni ìran tí a yàn.
Ẹ̀yin ni ìran tí a yàn.
Olú àlùfáà.
Olú àlùfáà.
Orílẹ̀-èdè mímọ́.
Yes.
Ènìyàn ọ̀tọ̀. Kí ẹ̀yin kí ó lè fi ọlá ńlá.
Kẹ́ ẹ lè fi ọlá ńlá.
Ẹni tí ó pè yín jáde
Ẹni
kúrò.
tí ó pè yín jáde kúrò.
Nínú òkùnkùn sínú
Nínú
ìmọ́lẹ̀.
òkùnkùn sínú ìmọ́lẹ̀.
Ìyanu rẹ̀ hàn.
Yes.
Ẹ̀yin tí kìí ṣe ènìyàn nígbà
Ẹ
kan rí.
rántí pé ẹ̀yin gangan ṣé èèyàn tẹ́lẹ̀ o.
Ṣùgbọ́n nísinsìnyí, ẹ̀yin di ènìyàn Ọlọ́run.
Ìpè wa sọ yín di èèyàn Ọlọ́run.
Ẹ̀yin tí kò rí àánú gbà.
Ẹ rántí pé ẹ̀rá àánú gbà rí.
Ṣùgbọ́n nísinsìnyí, ẹ ti rí àánú gbà.
Ẹ ti rí àánú gbà.
Olùfẹ́
o.
mo bẹ̀ yín bí àlejò àti bí èrò láti fà sẹ́yìn kúrò nínú ìfẹ́kúfẹ̀ẹ́ ara tí ń bá ọkàn yín jà.
Ó ti tó. Màá máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ńjọ́ mẹ́jọ dì
I will
mọ́.
continue next week.
Ẹ má gbàgbé o.
Don't forget.
Láti máa pè mí sórí aago.
The man of God.
080 36 36 57 18. Ẹ máa subscribe sórí YouTube wa.
Subscribe to our YouTube.
At Oriade Media Network.
At Oriade Media Network.
For more messages.
Fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ rẹ̀.
Ẹ má gbàgbé.
Don't forget.
Friday ọ̀túnla.
Friday next week.
Ìṣòro tó lágbára gan.
There's going to be a great crusade.
Tó bá di ọjọ́ Monday.
At Monday.
Àdúrà Olúwa ṣọ̀nà mi ní rere. Àlàáfíà Ọlọ́run yóò pẹ̀lú yín.
Peace of the Lord be with you.
Àmín.
Amen.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn ló fi ra mi padà. Iye ní Iye ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ àgùntàn ló fi ra mi padà. Mo dòmìnira nínú Jésù. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́